In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate columns to subitems automatically in Monday.com. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process so you can streamline your workflow with ease. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently manage your tasks using Monday.com, so let's dive in. First things first, let's head over to Monday.com by opening up your preferred web browser and entering the URL. Once you're on the website, you'll want to locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. For those who prefer logging in using their Google account, simply click on the Google option and then select your account from the list that appears. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your specific board. This is where you'll manage and organize all your tasks. Once you've selected your board, you'll notice various items listed. Find the item you wish to work with and look for a small arrow next to it. Click on this arrow to reveal additional options. Once the item menu is open, direct your attention to the subitem section. You should see a checkbox next to each subitem. Check the box of the subitem you wish to duplicate columns to. This selection will enable us to move forward in the process. Next, at the bottom of your screen, you'll find a button labeled Convert. Click on it to initiate the conversion process. Sometimes you might encounter a prompt asking if you want to continue despite potential conflicts or alerts. In such cases, you'll want to click on Continue Anyway. This action confirms your intent and allows you to proceed with the modifications. With that done, your attention should focus on changing the item columns. You'll have the opportunity to adjust these as needed to suit your specific requirements. Feel free to make any necessary changes to ensure that the data aligns precisely with your objectives. Finally, there's one last step to wrap up the process. You'll see a Convert Item option prominently displayed. Click on this button to finalize the conversion of your item into subitems with duplicated columns. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate columns to subitems automatically in Monday.com. This powerful feature will greatly enhance your organizational capabilities, allowing for a more streamlined and efficient workflow. Remember, practicing these steps a couple of times will help reinforce your understanding and make you more proficient in managing your projects on Monday.com. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.